Hi everyone, how are you? Okay dears, this is RANA SIR. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a new topic whose name is statistics. That is scientific. In statistics, I will talk about grouped data and also ungrouped data. In this case, I will discuss about arithmetic mean and average. Therefore, I am going to give you suggestion and that suggestion you follow positively, properly and safely. First of all, you have to take one notebook and pen and then you have to sit at your location properly and positively. Now, additional information I am going to also tell you, share this live video with your college friend and student so that they can also improve their knowledge, that is update their knowledge on this topic. Simultaneously, you also like this live video and also you subscribe this educational channel with your friends and also with yourself and also with your friends. Okay student, so positively I am going to explain its concept, that is topic name is statistics. Now here first of all I am going to explain about statistics. Here first topic I will explain, that topic will be as group and ungrouped data. Grouped and ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. So I have these two information and in this case I will find the arithmetic mean of a list of numbers and then I will also find the arithmetic means of the group data. Therefore, here I am going to write the concept of arithmetic mean or in other words we can say that average. So first of all I will explain what is the concept of data. Now data can be written in the form of isolated data or continuous data. So all data I am going to organize in a particular way, that is not group data but a list of data which are available. So that those data I will say that is the ungrouped data. Now here we have to get the concept for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean or only mean value, or we can say that average. So here I am going to tell you, if a list of numbers are given and we have to find the mean of those data at a time. So first of all we will write a information. That information will be such that now I will say observation will be n and that will be written as x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma xn. So all data we have to get mean of those data, that will be sum of all observation divided by n, that is the number of terms. Suppose that here I am going to take if n observations are x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 comma, that as I will say xn. So there are n terms. So its arithmetic means here its mean value will be as mean value is denoted by x bar, which is equal to, I will write x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 and so on, and then I write xn. So total number of terms are n. So I write like this. So that arithmetic mean is given by formula this one: x1 plus x2 plus x plus that as xn divided by n. Now here I am going to summarize it. Here I write it sigma xi I equal to 1. I equal to 1 to n. Now divided by n. So this is the mean value of the n observations. N observation, one observation is x1, x2, x3 up to xn. So I have taken its mean. So mean value is equal to the sum of all n observation divided by n. So its value will be mean value. Okay, student. Now here, if all data will be continuous, so I will use formula for getting sum. That sum will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now that information I am also going to write here. If there are the n value and all n value will be in continuous form, means we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n. So its summation will be from 1 to n. I can write a formula that will be as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So that is the arithmetic sum of arithmetic terms that is written in a continuous form. Now here I am saying, so here first term is a and second term is b, but common difference is 1. This is also first term, second term, and its common difference will be n. So this series, here this sequence is available in arithmetic progression. So its arithmetic sum will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, student. If you are understanding very well, so you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic, and simultaneously you subscribe this educational channel. Okay, that is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR. Now here I am going to type some information and do it properly. Suppose that if anyone will say you take sum from 1 to take sum from 1 to 100. So you write from 1 to 100. So n will be 100 into 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 on the 2, here will be 50. So here I will write 50 into 101. It will be 0, 5 on the 5, 0, 5 on the 5. So if we will take sum from 1 to 100, so its sum value will be 50, 50. That is 5050. Okay. So this formula save time, because this is also operator, and this operator save time, because here we have to take the sum from 1 to 100. So last value will be n, that is 100, and in 100 I will add 1. So after adding 1, so I will get here 1 plus 1. So 100 is divided by 2. So after dividing, I will get its value will be 50, and 50 into 100, that will be 5050. Okay, student. So this is the information. If data will be continuous, so we will use this formula for getting its sum. Okay. Now if data will be isolated, in this case I will take sum of all data divided by n, number of terms. So that data can be written as I equal to 1 to n sigma I state from 1 to n. Now n is the number of terms which are available in the sequence. Okay, student. So this information I will use for getting the arithmetic mean or average or mean value. Okay. So this is one information and I have already explained. Now any group data will be given. It means that first term is given, the number of terms is given, and also frequency of that term is given also. And then we have to get its arithmetic mean. So that arithmetic means can be obtained by formula. I will write here another formula. If the number of term is given, number of terms are given, and its frequency are also given, and its frequencies are also given, So we have to write by formula that will be mean is equal to, here I will write sigma xi into fi divided by sigma fi. So this is the formula, and this formula I will use when number of terms and its corresponding frequency will be given. So we will use this formula for getting the arithmetic means. In other words, we can say that it mean value everything. Okay, this is the required formula if number of terms and its frequency will be given. So I will use this formula for getting the mean value. Okay, so this is the data which are available in the list form, and this is the data which are the data which are available in the table form. Now terms are also given and corresponding frequencies are also given. So we will take the product of term and frequency, and then I will take sum of all frequency and its value I will obtain, and after obtaining we will divide with sum of frequency. So I will get a value, and that value will be the mean value of the given table. Okay students, so these are the concepts which are related to group data. Okay, further I will also explain the mean value with the help of derived mean value and also step mean value. So I will also discuss about that. But first of all, I am going to give some examples which are related to this arithmetic mean and also this arithmetic mean. Okay, one by one I will explain each concept with numericals. Okay, so first of all I am going to erase this concept, and I will write question, and then I will find the arithmetic mean. Now I am going to write here arithmetic mean of the question number 1. Here I will write find the arithmetic mean of the list value, list of the list of the number of list of the number of lists. That is why I am writing 2, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12. What will be is arithmetic mean. So here I will write its solution, and in solution properly I will write all data. So here I will say, so arithmetic mean will be written with the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn divided by n. This is the formula, and we have to utilize this formula for getting the answer of the above data. Now here I can write sigma xi, I extends from 1 to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. So this is the required formula that is written in compact form, so I will use. Now the value of x1 is 2, x2 is 5, x3 is 7, x4 is 8, x5 is 11, and x6 is 12. So number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will divide with 6. I will divide with 6. Now here I will write. I will add 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 5, 30, 23, 23 plus 2, 23 plus 2, 25, 5, carry will be 2, 1, 2, and 4, divided by 6. Okay, so this is the mean value. Now here I will divide with 3, 2 6, 3 1 3, 3 5 50. Again, 5 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 2 7 14, 1 5 3. It means that I will write here arithmetically, that is mean value 7.5. This is the answer of the given question. Okay, student, so according to this way you can solve any questions which are given in isolated form. You have to use the arithmetic, that is the mean value and average value, that will be as sum of all isolated data divided by number of terms. So here isolated data is 11, 2, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12. These data are not agreeing in a systematic form, because here I will take common difference 5 minus 2, that will be 3, but here 7 minus 2, that will be 2, 7 minus 5, that will be 2, here is 2, but here is 3, but here is 2, but here will be 1, and here will be 3, here will be 1. It means that there is no a proper sequence. So in this case I will use this formula x1 plus x2 plus x4 plus greater than sub to xn divided by m. So this formula will give its arithmetic, that is mean value. Okay, student, if you have any doubt, so you write your doubt in comment section, and positively I will leave your comment, and then I will reply the answer of your comment positively. Okay, student. Now next question I am going to take from the textbook, and then I will give its answer. First of all, I am going to take one numerical value from the textbook. Now here I am going to write the mean of the following data is. Here I will write. First of all, I will erase the written question and its solution, and then I will write next numerical from the textbook, and then I will give its proper answer. That is, I will give its proper solution. Now here I am going to write question number 2. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean. Find the mean of the following data. Following data. Now here I am going to write here number of terms, yes, its value is given. Now here f is given, f is frequency and x is term. So here I will get f to be x, here x is f. So here I am going to write the value of x is 10, 30, 50, 70, 10, 30, 50, 70, and next is 89. 89. Now corresponding frequency is also given 7, 8, 10. 7, 8, 10, and then 15, 10. 15 and 7 is 10. Now I will give me. I will get its me. Okay, students, so this question I have taken from the textbook. Now here I can write serial number. Serial number that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now here we have to get here 2 years. Here 10 into 7, that will be 70. 30 into 8. 240. This will be 50 into 10, that will be 500. And yes, 70 into 50. 10, 15. Now here I will multiply 890. Now I will take its summation, because here I will write sigma x here. Its value I will sum, and here will be sigma here. So I will take its all sum. So this value I will get. What is the value of sigma x here? So I will say 70 plus 240 plus 500 plus 1050 plus 890. So its value I have to take. Now here I am going to write its sum. 1 will be 70, 240, 500, and 5, 0, 0, and 1. There will be 1. Now here I will write 0, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all data I will add. So this will be 0, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 9. That is 21. So there is 9. That is 25. So here I will put 5. Now next, carry the 2. So here I will have 2 plus 5, that is 7. And here it is 8. 7 plus 8. 15 plus 2. 17. 7 and 7 and 8. Here 1 plus 1, that is 2. So here value is 2, 7, 5, 0. Okay, I have written its sum. So its sum is, I will write 207, 5, 0. Okay, and similarly I will add this frequency. Frequency value is 7, 8, 10, 15, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will take it from 7 plus 8, 15 plus 5, 20, 0, 2. 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So the value of f which is equal to 50. Now here I can write xi fi. That is I start from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I will put 5. Similarly, x sigma fi. I start from 1 to 5. Okay, students. So this is the requirement. Now I have to find that is mean value. So x mean value is written by the formula sigma I is equal to 1 to 5 xi into fi divided by sigma fi. I is equal to 1 to 5. Okay. Further, I will substitute this value. Its value is 2750 divided by 50. Here I will simplify 1 0 with cancel out. So here I will put 27.5 divided by 5. Okay, students. So this is the required way to find its value. If data will be given in table form and number of term is given and also number of frequency will be given, so we have to find the arithmetic mean by using the formula x is equal to sigma fi into xi into fi. I equal to 1 to n divided by f of n, means I equal to 1 to n. That will depend on the number of terms which are available in the given table. So here number of terms is 1 2 3 4 5. Number of terms is 5. Therefore I have written here I equal to 1 to 5. So I have put here value of sigma I xi into fi. So this value I have calculated. Now sigma fi is equal to 50. So 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. So after cancelling I have written it 275 divided by 5. Now I finish this 5 table. So this table data will cancel out with 5. So after simplifying I will write its value as, here I will write arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, that is, it is written like this. So here it is 275 divided by 5. So I say I can get 5 ja 25, will be there, again 5 ja 25. So arithmetic mean, that is mean value x bar, which is equal to 55. Okay, students, so according to this way, I can calculate easily arithmetic mean or mean value or average value. So this is the required way to get the arithmetic mean. If data will be isolated, so we can also get its arithmetic mean, and if data will be in tabular form, so we can also get its arithmetic mean. But if data will be given in time interval, so I will take its mean value, and after taking its mean value I will say that will be the number of term and frequency will be given. So again I will take multiplication of number of terms with corresponding frequencies and we will get its value. And again I will use the same formula, that is sigma xi fi I equal to 1 to n, and sigma fi which will be a value, but I start from 1 to n, and I will use same formula for getting the required value. Okay, so this is the required way for solving any value which are available in group form या in ungrouped form, that is group data and ungrouped data. We can easily find the arithmetic mean या average mean or mean value. Okay, students, so this is the required way for getting its value. Okay, so here I have explained in the statistics 2 point. If data will be available in the list form, so I will take arithmetic mean, that will be I will take the sum of all data and then I will divide it number of data, that will be the mean value. And if value will be given in tabular form, that is the number x represents the number of terms and f also represents the number of frequency. So we will take the multiplication of these two terms. One term is x and another term is f. So corresponding term I will multiply, and after multiplying I will take its sum. So that sum will be sigma x f. Sigma represents the sum of all terms, which is equal to 2750, but its value I have got 50. Its value I have got 50. Here we represent the number of frequencies. So here number of frequencies are given I. So 1 is 7, 8, 10, 15 and 10. So after taking summation of each term I have got 50. That is 5. So according to this way I can get. So arithmetically that will be as x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash dash plus up to xn divided by n. So according to that formula I will get the ungrouped data arithmetically, and if number of term and frequency will be given, so I will use this formula for getting the arithmetically, that is the mean value. Okay, so this is the required concept, and this concept I will also use further for getting its right value. Okay, now again I will use another topic, that is the group data, to find the arithmetic mean of the group data. In this case I will use state mean value and also derived mean value, and then I will use the new mean value for getting its value. So there are many ways to calculate its value. Now here, if number of data will be given, but those data will have number of repetition more, that is number of frequency will be more. So I will say that data will be mod of that sequence, that is that sequence. So each sequence cannot be progression, but each progression can be sequence, because progression has a systematic form. That is common difference of each consecutive term will be same, but if common difference of each consecutive term will be not same, so in this case I will say those data are not in its proper form. So I will say that is only sequence, not progression. So in that case I will say number of mod will be the maximum number of repetition. If data will be in the frequency form, so suppose that this is the data and we have to decide which will be the mod value. So here the mod value, the number of repetition, the number of repetition of the frequency is 15, because this 70 term is repeated 15 times. So its mod will be 70. So its mod value will be 70, because number of frequency each value here 50, so its mod will be 15. But if any data which will be available in list form and a particular data which has number of repetition mode, so I will say that is the mod value. So that is the mod value. Next I will calculate also the concept of median. So median can be obtained by the formula if any isolated data is given. So I will take its median value. So first of all I will arrange those data in ascending order, and after adding in ascending order I will count the number of terms. If the number of terms will be odd, so there will be one median. So that median can be obtained by the formula n plus 1 the term value, n plus 1 by 2 terms value. So I will arrange all data in continuous form, and then I will count the number of terms, and that will be the median value. If the number of terms will be even, in this case there will be 2 median value, and that median value can be obtained by the formula n by 2 terms value plus n by 2 plus 1 mere term value and whole divided by 2. So that both term value I will take and I will sum and I will divide with 2. So I will get a value, and that value will be the median of the given data when number of terms will be even. So similarly, there are 5 ways to get median of the following data. Okay, student. So further, I will also explain in detail. Okay, student. So from the chapter number 1 to 12, all chapters I have already. That is all lessons from 1 to 12 already I have taught you previously. So if you have missed those data, so you go in my previous data and get it on my YouTube channel, and you see in video section, live video section, and also where I have created their playlist section, and from there you can learn each and every data easily, because this is the class 10th mathematics, which is free online coaching classes, so you take its advantage more and more. Okay, now further I am also going to tell you, always I will be present online from 30 minutes past to 7 p.m. to 30 minutes past to 8 p.m. and for this time duration for getting the knowledge of corresponding chapters. This is the class 10th mathematics, and this chapter number, that is lesson number is 13, whose name is statistic. I have already explained. So here I have explained how to calculate the arithmetic mean, that is mean value, and also average value. If data will be a list of numbers, so I have already created formula. With that formula I will get the arithmetic mean, that is mean. If data will be given in table form, so I will take its multiplication of number of terms with frequency, corresponding frequency, then I will get a number of values, and all values I will take. So after taking, so I will say those values will be the summation of first term and frequency, and here I will take the summation of frequency, and its mean value will be sigma I equal to 1 to n divided by sigma fi, and I equal to 1 to n. That formula I will use for getting the mean value of the corresponding data. Okay, if you have any confusion, so you write comment. You write your information queries, that is doubt, in the comment section positively. I will look your comment and then I will give the answer of your comment positively. Okay, student, I will meet with you on the same time. So thank you for watching this live video, and also I am going to also explain about the mod. Already I have told you that is the number of multiplication. That is number of multiplication of the frequency of the mod. So I will say that is the mod value. Okay, and if the data will be given in table form, so I will check which frequency has more repetition. So we are putting it more with respect to all data. So corresponding this frequency, the value of x, which is the mod value. Okay, student. So median I will also explain in detail. Okay, for median can be obtained by 5 ways according to the data. If data will be isolated, then if data will be even, data will be odd. If data will be in tabular form, x value will be given there, and if frequency value will be given. If number of terms will be odd, if number of terms will be even. If data will be written in group form, so I will use a required formula for getting the median. Now mod formula I will also get if data will be written in class form, that is L1 plus L2 minus L1 f minus f0 divided by 2f minus f0 minus f2. So this formula I will use, and after using this formula I will get the mod of the required table. Okay, student. So on the next day I will meet on the same time. Okay, Jai Hind, students.